don't know only, it's about Prince Second. I'm back in the place with another epic video. For today's video, I'll be reacting to ladies rating me from 1 to 1,000. Nigga stop, man. Just kidding. 1 to 10. You see, I don't know what to go on now. So, yeah, in that too long. Yeah, because I'm 2 persons who know of. And the other person did, I'm not know of them. You see, I'm 2 persons. You see. So, hope you enjoy. Remember, like, share, and subscribe. We're on our road to go to 500 subscribers. Please remember, like, share, and subscribe, and don't forget to comment and tell me though. Please mash up the like button, mash up the subscribe button. Please, if you don't know more support, please. Here we can reach back now. So what I'm going to do is that you go watch it and you will talk about it. Yes, watch it and then talk about it. So hope you enjoy it as me I say. And remember, like, share, and subscribe, and don't forget to comment. So here we go. The first person on it is Qly D. Right, that's our channel name, Qly D. So open it up. I see it here on the side here. I see it on the side there. Check out our channel. Remember, like, share, and subscribe, and don't forget to comment. You see, check out our channel and subscribe to our channel. You see, she's new and she's doing her thing. She kind of good. She good at it. No, like, no, you're not cute. No, you. So I don't know things. I know Qly and Qly. I'm G. Them person react to where the rating video. You know all of them. The 2 of them know. So I know Qly. I'm a G. You see, so. Let us begin. So,
King Zach. Oh, Zachary name, so yeah, I put in channel name down here, so you go and subscribe to in channel. Yeah, as I say, Zachary. Yeah, I can't agree sometimes, but yeah, otherwise, yeah, you're cute. Yeah, you don't know it eating already, you see. So 9 years. Right.
alright. So I just watched it a while ago. So she literally give me 9. Love, not like you. They give me 9. Not like I respect that friend, but they give me 9. But I don't know what it. I'm your friend, and you love me, and I love you too, my friend. You're my good friend. So she give me 9, I'm going to thank her for that. I'm not like she give me 9. She be like, she said, so my time I have a problem, yes, yeah, me about trouble and provoke her most I why. My time she said, why me about trouble and yeah, trouble her. What time? Multiple times. See? So she said me and her problem, but that's type of problem we have to follow out and I just joke problem, I see it, so she's a G. So she give me 9. I'm thankful for that. I'm not like thankful for 9. But you have to give me 10. So she give me 10. Me I come from 4. You see? Me I come from 4. Extra that song here. You see me? You give me 9. No like give me 9. See? Some people wish they got the 9, but they still want the 10. Want the 10. You see? Want the 10. You see? So moving on to the next person. Cigar, I try and name out the year, so you may just do a quick clip by channel, like I'm give you here, say whatever. So I'm gonna go check out our channel and like, share, and subscribe to our channel. You see? You see me? You see? So here we go into the video. Moment of silence.
On next 4 is King_Zach66. And this is his page. So I'm gonna give him a 7 because yeah, man, he wants to rate him, not rate him because I don't know what to even understand. But just want to rate him. I mean, if you watch his stuff, rate you. Rate your life. But I don't want to forever for us, you know.
Alright, so
yeah. Push. Moving on. To
10 long time, you know. 10 if you get a 10. And why I can't push it up? I mean, clean it. If I get a 10, I'm thankful for the 7. I'm going to get 10. You see me? 10 if I get. Finno, she said. 10 finno. You want 10 finno? 7 finno, she said. She said 7 finno. So yeah, she rate. I'm rate that, you know. I'm a G. Rate you, not like I'm a little G. You see, she give me a 7, but more than 10. You couldn't give me 10. Eh? You're gonna give me 10. Just look at the line and give me 10, man. You're gonna give me 10, brethren. But thankful for the 7, you see. So yeah, give me the 7. Still figure away more than 10. Anyways, yeah, I made it to the end of the video. The video was short, but I hope you enjoy it. So you know, want to like, share, and subscribe, and don't forget to comment and tell me how I do. And go and support my gaming channel. My gaming channel is Gaming with Prince. Go and support that channel for me, please. I don't put on a video on it, but go and support it because I will start posting on it. Because I play PUBG Mobile, as I was saying in the video that I dropped. It's going before this. It's going to be the link description. You see. So yeah, don't forget to check out Cigar channel and QA channel. You see, we'll show them some support. So we're on the road to 500 subscribers. So open to support me some more so we can get to reach that goal. And then 600, 700. There it goes. To 1K. And then from 1K to 1 million. Yeah, from 1 million to God knows. Not like from 1 million to 2 billion. You see me? So yeah, support me all the way. You see? Thank you all for supporting me as well, who are supporting me now. So I say like, share, and subscribe, and don't forget to comment and tell me what we do and how we can improve on. I'm out.
Said I walk, said I walk, said I walk. Said I walk, said I walk, said I walk. Said I walk, said I walk, said I walk. Yeah, yeah. They was hating cause I'm popping. Try to hold me back, but I ain't never ever stopping. All this money on me, I feel like I just went shopping. She was trying to